Hi, folks. This is Don Meissner with the Fishcap Fishing Report. I gave a call to Mike Seymour this morning because Mike is one of the best muskie. He's a guide. He's one of our premier writers in this area. And I said, Mike, what would people like to know right now? Tell me something special. And he says, well, I'll tell you something special. Muskie season is now opening, and this is a great time for fishermen in the St. Lawrence River because those fish are still in the bays. They're still in there where they spawn because, again, we've had such a slowly developing season. So he also said this is one of the only times in the St. Lawrence River where you can actually go out and cast for muskies. Usually, you know, we troll big baits and we cover a lot of water. But if these fish are in the bays, we can actually catch them by casting. And the other thing he said is a lot of people will catch muskies incidentally. In other words, they'll be fishing for bass or pike or something else, and they'll catch on to one of these muskies. I said, Mike, tell me something else. How healthy is the muskie population in the St. Lawrence River? And he said, well, you know, it's taken some hits because we had that virus that killed so many fish. But the blue skies to all of this is that the fish that have survived are stronger, they're more resistant to disease, and they're actually growing faster. So now, and you know what? This is nature. Nature takes care of its own. It adapts. And that's what's really happened here. We've got some of the biggest and best muskie fishing in the world. The next world champion muskie, the big record, will come from the St. Lawrence River. And so if you haven't fished for muskies in the St. Lawrence, this would be a good time to start. Pick any one of these bays. And the one final thing Mike said, this is a time when you want to look at the tributaries that come into the bays or come into the inland lakes because the water's still cold, it's still moving, the weeds haven't massed yet, and this is a great place for fish to be. Until next time, folks, this is Don Meissner with the Fishcap Fishing Report.